All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2012 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit Package. Original silver from factory from the city of Orange County, California. So yes, this bad boy doesn't have any rust on her whatsoever. Vehicle has been completely serviced, doesn't need any repairs, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Vehicle does have 110,000 miles. Folks, I can tell you by the condition of the vehicle, this vehicle probably belonged to a higher ranking officer or maybe a SWAT team member. Someone up there drove this car around, because the condition that it's in, even when I got it, she was gorgeous. It's got tinted windows from that department. It appears to be dark in the rear, medium in the front. Once again, this is a 2012, so it is a flex fuel vehicle. Folks, once again, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Super solid, super fast. For those of us familiar with the PPV vehicles, man, you already know what I'm talking about. The paint looks gorgeous. I can see some very minor little scratches here and there. It's got one little tiny door ding right here and another one right here. You can see it right there. But let me tell you, aside from that, this vehicle is gorgeous. Before I forget, it does have a new set of Dunlop tires. So those are completely new. I probably driven in those tires for maybe 100 miles, I'm gonna say. Okay, it's got a new set of Dunlop tires. Vehicle has been completely detailed, so it's extremely clean inside and out. I do have clear lights and lessons in the front, and as you can see, folks, no signs of any spotlights ever being installed in this vehicle. And yes, she doesn't have any holes on the roof. Once again, she is super clean. And as you can see, before I forget, vehicle has been registered, so I do have the title, registration, plates are good to go. So whoever buys this car, you're taking it the way it is. Did I mention it has clear lights and lessons in the front? Oh, there they are. Forgive me if I get a little bit too excited, folks, but this is one of a kind right here. I'm not used to getting Tahoes I'm not used to getting Tahoes, I guess I'm gonna say in solid colors like this one from factory. They're usually black and white. $85 okay, that's what the yellow means. Now let's go inside. Oh, before I forget, I do have another thing here that I need to address. Let me get close to it here. Hi Eric, how are you? Oh no, it's a great car. It's all for you right here. Folks, before I forget, I do have a small ding right here. You can see that right there and right here. Not sure where that came from, but it is there. If you're up close and personal, you will probably notice it, but if you're far away, you won't. All right, that's all for the dings department. Nothing else. Oh, let's start from the back. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle, the interior is extremely clean. My detail crew came in and they put the finishing touches on it. Carpet floor, and as you can see, carpet. I do have a rear leather seat floor mats, carpet floor mats in the rear. Door locks and switches are in place. So yes, the doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Let me clean this up here a little bit. It's got a nice and comfortable driver's side seat. As you can see, it does have the original equipment center console. Once again, carpet floors, plastic floor mats here in the front, which is fine. They don't bother me. Passenger side seat is in perfect condition. I don't think no one ever sat there. The dash is in perfect condition. No holes on it whatsoever. Everything works in the truck. She's ready to go to the new owner. And this is a two-wheel drive. Remember, PPV package. Let's fire her up. Clean this up here real quick. Okay, pressure lights are off. All gauges do work. Everything works. It's got 110,000 miles. You can see a display right there. Stereo does work. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Cigarette lighters do work. I do have a 2012 Chevy Tahoe manual right there, registration card.
I think it's the lighting. I mean, some places seem warm and comfy, and some not so much. Like back at work.
Am I forgetting anything? I hope not. Let's continue walking around this vehicle here. Close this up. I know the clock is ticking. Let's get to the meaty gritty here, gentlemen. Let's get under the hood. Paint looks great. God, don't tell me they're moving. All right, guys, give me a minute here. I gotta move. My neighbor is backing out, so let me. I gotta tell you, I miss recording my videos in my old place in Los Angeles. Oh yeah, you know what? Focus in the rear view mirror. I do have a backup camera. It's a good thing I got in the vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with a backup camera that works out of the rear view mirror right there. When you put it in drive, the light turns off and it's like a little square right there. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get back in track here. Vehicle is extremely clean and quiet. No red flags on her whatsoever, as I already have gone through the vehicle. And as you can see, the engine has been completely detailed. I put that there for you guys. Put a smile in your face in between all this pandemic that we are going through. I hope your family is doing great. You guys are staying safe and strong and healthy. I'm getting close to my 10th minute, so I need to hurry up. I need to step it up. As you guys can hear, the engine is super clean, quiet. She is super strong, guys. Let me tell you, she does not hesitate to pick up and go. Starting left to right on this one. I do have a new air filter. I have 8 new AC Delco Platinum spark plugs. I do have 8 new AC Delco spark plug wires. Full synthetic. Engine oil service, Dexos. Don't forget Dexos, full synthetic with Dexos. Transmission has been serviced. I do have a set of new Dunlop tires. Brakes, they're about 80-90% from the department. They do not need replacement. Air conditioner was also serviced. It was working when I first got the car, but it wasn't as cold as it should have been. So I had it serviced, and it does have dual AC for the front and the rear. Both, well, everything is in one system, and everything got serviced. Here she is, folks. Am I forgetting anything else? I hope not. One last final look here. Once again, folks, this is gonna be a 2012 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit package. I'm cutting it long on this one, but I want to make sure I cover everything, and I'm trying not to forget anything. So she's in perfect running condition, guys. I can't emphasize that enough. I mean, I love this car myself, and I've gone through several Chevy Tahoes that have come through here, but this one here, for some reason, I don't know, she feels unique. Okay, 2012 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle with 110,000 miles, all original miles, clean and clear title. No signs of spotlights ever installed, no holes, no nothing. She is road ready to go anywhere across the states. Anyway, I gotta go. This is the Crime Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend. Be safe, stay strong and healthy. God bless. Thank you for watching. Take care.